This will change the way you produce content, launch Facebook and Instagram ads. This is the #1 way to create hundreds of user-generated content per month to test with your business. This simple UGC website I'm going to share with you has made me hundreds of thousands of dollars and helped me create 3x more content for ads to test every single month. A lot of people are catching on to this method, so make sure you get on the train before they do. So if you want to know the secret to making amazing ads, then watch this video and stay tuned, because I'm going to be sharing a lot of documents with you breaking down this system. I have produced thousands of ads and sold thousands of clients online using this method. This is going to be without any complicated funnels, any complicated methods, or any complicated scripts. So let's jump into it. In this video, I'm going to be showing the exact hook breakdowns, the exact way to find good ads that you can use for UGC, and the exact way how you can find video editors to edit your ads so then you can produce hundreds of ads per month. So in this video, let's jump into it so you can go over it. So the software I'm going to be dropping down below so you guys can check that out. So let's get into it. So let's play a little bit.
This is Sheena. We plugged in a new strategy into her business that helped her go from a 9-to-5 JB working as a nurse to a 30K.
So you see here exactly how good it sounds and how it sounds. So like literally, you know, there is a little bit like with the mouth, you can tell that sometimes that it's a little off, but the thing is it works super well. So if you can see her, the way she talks, she's really low.
This is Sheena. We plugged in a new strategy into her business that helped her go from a 9-to-5 JB.
So imagine producing hundreds of these with different people's faces, either on your winning ads that are working already or already new ads that you need to create to keep the momentum going. So if I go here, I'm going to jump into my Facebook ad account where you guys can see an ad producing money already. That's a UGC ad that is from this site. So if I jump in here to Facebook ads, I click here, it's going to be showing you a 2.32x ROI, total revenue 11,000. You know, we have ads that can produce 5x, 10x, 20x. It all depends on the ad, but this is UGC. So I want to show you exactly the UGC ad that's producing us money currently right now.
Me and my team will build you out an Instagram content marketing system. We will increase your profit, and if it does not work, you don't pay.
So you see here exactly how the editing is and how she's UGC. So this is a UGC ad that's performing really well for us. Just show you on my client dashboard on Hyros that is producing. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to produce hundreds of content with ARC ads, and you can make, you're going to get credits when you sign up for it, and they're going to give you a specific amount of credits depending on how much you want. But this is going to make your life easier so then you can record more ads. That means that you can get more results for your company. So you can produce, either if you have an e-commerce company or a coaching company or marketing company, you can then see what's going to hit off the wall that's going to work. So that's exactly why we use UGC ads, so it can give us an extra oomph. So for example, if I'm already producing 50 pieces of content with my own face, you can then produce another 50 to 100 at UGC, and you can test a lot more with this method. So let's jump into like how you can find different content for hooks and stuff like that. So if I go here in the library, you can then look up companies. So for example, if you want to look up marketing companies, if you're in that, or e-commerce, you can look that up. If I go to marketing, you can see, if you put here, you can go to filters, and you can then go to, you want to probably put, you want to put where you are located. So if you're in the United States, put United States. So it's already at United States. And you're just going to look down here and see what people are producing. Look at this person right here. Are you a business owner struggling to grow your business? So you want to look for things that are 30 days and older. So October 1st is not 30 days and older, and you want to keep looking. So e-commerce, here's an e-commerce one here on the left here, and you can just like look at this and you see what people are doing. You can then go to your feed on Facebook, and on your Facebook feed, what's going to happen is it's going to show you more people. It's going to target you basically to show you more people. So then after that, you'll get more ads, and you can see what people are using in the marketplace. So what I did here is I broke down a UGC content document right here where how to leverage UGC and basically what you can go about it, and how to copyright, ad ideas, testing strategies. You can use Power Ad Spy right here. I attached the document right here, the Facebook document for the Facebook library. You can also here find out where to hire UGC creators. So if you don't want to use the website, you can hire them to real actors from Fiverr.com, as well as other sites. And here are some winning hooks here I have connected here. So if you want this document, comment down below and I can send this document to you. This document right here is going to give you some winning hook ideas, and basically it's going to help you create hooks so then you can get these ads producing and getting better results for you. And this has been a game changer in our company. Like this right here by itself has transformed our company. We've made a lot of money just by using this strategy, because then we can now we can test a lot more. Before, you can create content, but you were creating, like, pretend you were creating like 50 pieces of content per month, but you weren't getting that extra 50 to 100 pieces of content. Then you can also hire a copywriter if you feel like you can't do copy yourself, which I 100% suggest you learn how to do copy and read Great Leads on Amazon.com. Read that book. It's going to help you write copy, but you want to learn how to write copy so then you can convince the prospect to buy your product, because it's not just about the ad, it's also about the copy. Obviously the ad's a little bit more important, then they go through your funnel so you can then generate those results. But yeah, that's basically how this works using UGC content. You can get a lot of content out there to the market by just using this. This has been a game changer. If you guys want to learn more on exactly how this works, obviously you can get the document if you comment down below. Make sure you subscribe below and we can chat on exactly what you need to do to produce 100+ content ideas per month to then, see what's going to stick onto the wall. So guys, hopefully you enjoy it. Subscribe down below and I'll see you in the next videos.